What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake. I'm currently at the marina. I usually never fish this spot, but today I'm doing a certain type of challenge. The other day I bought some senkos for $5 and it's a huge pack with a lot of colors, so I'm gonna be testing that out today. Hopefully we can land some fish. Let's get to it. Alright everyone, so these are the senkos that I'm going to be using today. It's by Strike King. I got these for like $5 and there's 4 different colors in here. There's 2 natural, 1 like cinnamon brown, and then 1 kind of looks like a bluegill. I'm gonna start off with the bluegill color just because these fish are fitting up on shad, and then I'll go ahead and switch over to like the brown one here this afternoon. But presentation seems pretty good. They look pretty decent. Not a bad deal for $5. You get all these senkos. So I'm gonna be starting off right here in this little cove and be making my way to the right. I'm just gonna fish this real quick and then head over to some more spots. So hopefully we can land some fish with these senkos and we'll see if they're actually worth it. But so far, it seemed like a pretty good deal. Oh, I just got thumped hard. Oh no, come on, come on, come on. He still has it. What is with this fish? He had it twice. I mean, I saw my line running. I'm sure the camera picked up the first bite. I didn't think I was gonna get a bite on a senko today. I haven't used a senko in a while. And that's the thing too, I knew there was a fish here. I had kind of passed by on my kayak once and I was trying to fix my anchor and I saw a fish bust 2 times here. So I knew he was hanging around the area and he was willing to eat, but I just couldn't hook him. Maybe he was too small. I'm thinking that's a problem. He was too little. Alright everybody, so just to give you all an update, I've been fishing for about an hour and a half and I've gotten 2 bites on the senko. So far it's not looking so good. The weather did calm down though. It's not windy at all. So I have to be kind of stealthy also because it's so calm, like it's so quiet out here. The fish will hear me from a mile away compared to as if it was windy. But yeah, I've gotten 2 bites. I feel like they're small fish, nothing too crazy. I couldn't really capitalize on them, but hopefully along this edge we run into a fish, or maybe even that side holds a lot of fish. So we'll see if we can land some. I'm going to try and aim for at least 2 fish today on these senkos. The problem with these senkos is that it is currently fall time and fish are more interested into craws, like bait fish, topwater, all that stuff. Like right now I would be throwing topwater if it was for me. So I want to complete this challenge. I want to catch a fish on one of these senkos and test it out. There's a little wake right here. But yeah, just to give you an update, like I said, an hour and a half been fishing and I've gotten 2 bites. So hopefully we can run into a fish. I think it was a little chilly this morning and that kind of slowed down the bite. But here in a bit, we should get some fish in this yak. Hopefully we do. Got one. First fish of the day, he came off. Are you freaking kidding me? No. I am salty about that one. You know, I usually don't get too salty when losing fish because I usually have pretty good days, but I've been fishing for like an hour and a half. Oh, I should have waited a little longer, just a little bit, or maybe set the hook a little harder. I felt like a decent one too, not gonna lie. What can we do? Keep fishing, just try and land one. Hopefully all goes well today and we can land some fish. I at least want to land 2. Might be asking for a lot, but it's a good sign though that we at least got a fish to commit. Come on, take it, take it. There we go, everybody. First fish of the day. I was not gonna make a cast there. All right, I better land this guy. It's a little fish, but I'll take him all day long. Get in the net. Yes! First fish of the day, everybody. I let him eat it this time for sure. Oh my God, I've been fishing for about 2.5 hours, close to there. You know, I'll try and land one more. It's still pretty early. That feels good. Not a giant, but I'll take it. Look at the colors on this fish. So dark. Not a bad fish, not a giant. Like I said, I'll take it. First fish on the senko. I might switch up colors right now just to see if that makes a difference, but not a bad fish. First fish of the day. Back in the water he goes. So glad I landed that fish. I was trying to lose hope. I started thinking if I should just go home and give up on this video, but hey, we landed a fish. Not bad. Keep fishing, see if I can land one more. All right, everyone, so like I said, I've been fishing for quite some time now, and I'm basically gonna fish from this side to the left and to the end of the cove, which is like way over there, and see if I can land one more. I'm really gonna try and grind it out today, try and land one more. That fish kind of gave me hope, so if that doesn't work out, I head over to the other side of this cove and see if we can land some fish. I usually never land fish on that side anyway. It's mainly this side, this right side, but yeah, today has been a struggle. I honestly think these pack of Senkos are worth it. I think they could do pretty good in the summertime. Right now it's kind of tough because it's fall time. Fish are feeding on craws, on top water, on reaction baits, and it's not really the time to throw Senkos, and that's why I think they're doing so poorly right now. But in the summer, I think these Senkos would absolutely slay fish, so I really do recommend them. If you find some in your stores, I think it's a pretty good deal. You get 4 different colors and it's 24 Senkos for $5, so that's a pretty good deal in my opinion, and I think that in the summer they would absolutely slay the bass. But just like I said, right now they're not really committing to these Senkos because it's fall time, of course. I'm gonna continue fishing, see if I can get another fish to commit. Most likely the next fish that I'm going to hook into is probably going to be a dink, because all the bites I've gotten have been small, like that last fish, and I just don't think these bigger fish are attracted to this bait during this time, and I feel like these bigger fish are probably down a little bit deeper, so it'll be pretty hard to locate them, but hopefully we can run into one more fish. All right, everybody, that is going to effectively end today's video. I caught 1 fish in total today, which kind of sucks. I got here at 7 a.m. and right now it is currently 12:10. I grinded it out trying to catch one last fish. I wasn't able to. Hopefully next time we land more fish. My honest review on these Senkos is they're pretty good. Probably in the summer, not around this time, the fall. Fish start eating like craws, topwater, like I had mentioned in the video, and the Senko bite kind of dies off. So maybe in the summer we'll try this challenge again. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, leave a like on this video, comment and subscribe for future content just like this, and I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.